I think we can all agree that our first thought of a public bathroom is, ew. Nobody likes them. They're dirty. They're uncomfortable. But, sometimes you just have to go. You have no choice. So that is where LooREADY is going to come in and save the day. This is absolutely fantastic. It comes in a 5-pack and a 30-pack, and they are these really great toilet seat covers, right? Because nobody likes hovering, nobody likes sitting on the seat, and oftentimes those bathrooms do provide them, but they are like paper thin, they are see-through. The second you sit on them, they end up ripping, so it's kind of like, what's the point? Not LooREADY. So they come all individually packaged, and there is no plastic here, which is a huge plus, which is something that we all love. This package can fit in your pocket, it can fit in your purse, it can fit in your backpack, anywhere you need it to fit, it will fit. So they all look like this. They are extra large, so it will honestly cover the whole toilet seat. I don't know about you, but I've never seen a toilet seat this large before. So that is perfect for me. You've got that back part, the front part completely covered. There's no stress when you're sitting down. Can you imagine, just thinking, I'm thinking of like a toddler potty training. You don't want to put your poor toddler on that seat. This right here would be perfect for them. When you go to concerts, when you go to festivals, any and everything you can think of, LooREADY is going to be great. But here is my absolute favorite part. You can actually flush these down the toilet because watch this. This is just regular water. It's not boiling water. It's not warm water. It's just regular temperature that you would find in your toilet bowl. As soon as you put it into the water, watch this. It's been in there, how many seconds? It is already falling apart. You know why? Because they are made from the same material as laundry pods and dishwasher pods. So we all know that those disappear once you put them in the water. So these do the same thing. So there are no problems to be flushing that down the toilet. And as you can you see these little like bubbles forming at the top? Because look at this, it's like even my hand actually feels fantastic. It feels like I'm just like washing my hand in soap. And I also forgot to mention that they have like a jasmine scent to them. They smell fantastic as well. But look at that. It becomes like a soapy film. And it's like I can barely even scoop up a few little pieces here. But look at that. So completely flushable and no stress on your end. And honestly, it makes every public bathroom break more sanitary.